is up, Web3 crew? Krista Tumon's right here at TOKEN2049 at Medina Jumeirah, and I'm at the booth of Weex together with Mr. Tarek and Mr. Nicholas. How are you today, guys?
All good. Like, it's the second day. We have met a lot of partners yesterday, and today I think the people are just keep coming in. Yeah.
And how did you guys prepare for TOKEN2049?
We had a big preparation, especially we had the HQ opening in Dubai. So yeah, it was a very busy week, and especially now like the second day, as Nick mentioned. So yeah, it was a blast, and we had a lot of KOLs engagement and a lot of side events, and it was really successful.
Interesting. So guys, can you please give me a bit background about yourself before you come up with Weex?
All right. So my name is Nicholas, responsible for overseas PD for Weex. And right now in Weex, we're as you can see, we're a centralized exchange, like you can see in the market. But what we really specialize is in, because right now we see like the main tokens like BTC or ETH, there are not a lot of opportunities for most of the time. But what we do, what we invest a lot more is we list a lot of smaller tokens for users to capture big opportunities. And most importantly, we are very strict in terms of our security and user protection, make sure that everyone is safe as well, like we see recently in the industry.
How about you, Mr. Tarek? Can you please give us a bit background about yourself?
Yeah, so like being in the crypto for the past 6 years, and now working mainly with exchanges like head of regions and head of BD. And I joined Weex recently. It's one of the most fastest cryptocurrency exchanges, and we're working now on the expansion plan that we have, working with the communities and the KOL and the development and user acquisition. And we are really fast in growing, so we're entering a lot of new markets now, especially in Europe, Latin region, and we expansion to the US region and the MENA region, and we open our HQ here. So yeah, it was a very successful journey till now.
Is this your first time in Dubai?
Personally, I'm not from Dubai, as you can tell, but I think this is like my 4th, 5th time here, mostly because of these conferences as well.
But first time, is this Weex first time to be an exhibitor in TOKEN2049?
Yeah, we used to be in Singapore, but yeah, in Dubai now we have like our opening over HQ. And as for myself, I've been in Dubai since 2010, so yeah, we've been used to the crypto, like it's a hub now, everyone is coming from East and the West, so yeah, having a lot of engagement in terms of crypto.
Everybody knows that Dubai is really a crypto friendly, right? Yes. So what is Weex' main mission and vision?
The biggest overall vision is we see the potential of cryptocurrency, and instead of like competing with everyone else in the industry, what we spend a lot of time and effort in is onboarding new users. That's why we are launching our academy. We're launching like a lot more like Weex Wiki, just to let people know like it's not necessary for you to use us as an exchange, but we want you to learn more. We want you to know what we are doing, and we want to onboard, like everyone said, we want to onboard the next billion users to the industry as well. Like that is the overall frame, but on the ground, what we've been doing is we really try to listen to users' need. If they want like some functionalities, or they want some new tokens, they want certain functions, like we try to cater to all the users here as well.
What makes Weex unique? What sets it apart from all the companies that also have the same field or industry?
First, as Nick mentioned, we are really efficient in listening to the users' experience, what they're facing, and we are very fast in executing the success story for every user that is working with us. And beside that, we have a commitment with the KOLs and the communities. That's why we work with them on a very good plan for them, where they will be satisfied and the user will be satisfied. And as I mentioned, with the customer support and all of these experiences that been having and serving the people, because there's a lot of communities that they're asking for some new products that we'll be providing them. And a lot of communities now, they are not trading, so we are going to those communities and provide them with the unique products that we are providing. And we are expanding as well in terms of our, you have future spot, and we are going to make staking, and we are providing our P2P, and we are going to implement a lot of new products as well.
And what do you think, guys, will be the future impact of Weex in the ecosystem?
Like, this is a very personal statement, not on behalf of the company, but I think right now, the whole Web3 or crypto industry, especially exchanges, things are getting more mature. Like if you see something on one exchange, for example, you can probably see it on another exchange, very, very likely. And as much as we try to be unique, I think what we spend the most time in is really listening to, like Terry said, our partners and the users. Like one very good example is, for example, like if you are our partner and we want to build trust with you, instead of just meeting online, no matter where you are in the world, our team will fly and come to see you. I'm being very serious, like, because most of our team live in either Dubai or Asia or somewhere else in the world, but we try to meet our partners, we try to build trust, we try to communicate face to face, and same goes to our users. We do very intensive customer support to all our users as well, just to make sure like everyone's happy, everyone know what they're doing, and everyone get the support they need as well.
Guys, what's next for Weex after TOKEN2049? Where are you heading to next? Any upcoming events or future projects to launch that you might want to share with our viewers?
Sure. Number one, as Nick mentioned, we have the expansion plan. We are going to the 5 continents now, the LATAM region, US, Europe, everywhere. So if you can just check, the chart of Weex expansion. Like we started 2018. The last year we were spiking like that. So it was really good. And this is one of the reasons our CEO is really keen to make it happen, the expansion plan and the users acquisitions and the customer service to be always in terms of the users. This is number one. As far as beside that, we are going to attend a lot of side events and we will be hosting as well in LATAM region, in the US and in Europe as well, in a lot of blockchain weeks and events. And we spiked in terms of we have a lot of employees from different continents, from the LATAM region, from the US as well, and so we are working from in the same time, UTC +8, UTC +2, UTC -4, UTC -8. So we are present in the whole world. That's why we are really successful in that. So our execution is really fast.
So are you guys open for collaborations in case or for partnerships?
Anytime.
How they should get in touch with you guys or how they should connect with you?
Our website or our community has almost all the contacts for our team, like Terry, like myself, or you can do email, but the fastest way, just go to our community or our website, get the contact. We respond almost around the clock, Sunday, Saturday, any day. Yeah, we're always open for partnership anyway.
Thank you so much. And last question, guys. What do you think is the future of money?
The future is like being digital and the decentralization. So like we are seeing this now. In 2-3 years, you will not see any paper money. So it always be in your wallet and in your exchange wallet. So yeah, we will provide people to download Weex and go make an account. And I guess we will be taking it from there, guys.
Right now, to be really honest, in the longer term, we don't know which one will be the main only currency. But what we have been seeing is every government, most of the government on the world, is trying to launch a stable coin. They're trying to launch their central bank digital currency.
Yeah.
What we can see for sure is there will be more transparency. There will not be infinite printing of money, and people can really start to own the money, the assets they have. So that's why we have this whole industry, because we believe asset ownership is a thing. So that's the future I see.
Thank you so much, Nicholas and Mr. Tarek. Now, guys, can you please describe this event, TOKEN2049, in one word?
It's a blast. So I will tell you something. Yesterday when I entered, I was asking them any waiting list. They told me we are fully booked. So it was really successful. This will show you how Dubai is a hub, for the crypto. And our visitors, they are from all the 5 continents. They came here. So yeah, hope everyone is enjoying. And yeah, all the success for you guys.
I want to say packed. But yeah, it's for real. Like, if there is only one event you can choose throughout the year, you either choose this one in Dubai or Singapore. But personally, I mean, if you want new things, come to Dubai. And one word, I would say the icon, actually, like the flagship for the industry, for real. Yeah.
All right, thank you so much, guys. I hope you get a lot of insights from Mr. Tarek and Nicholas. This is me, Krista, 2 Moons. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of money.